So here I have, I will test in this video Macbook M3 Pro 16-inch in Premiere Pro. So here I have a bunch of videos, actually the same video placed on top of each other, and see if there's any lag. So as you can see, there is no visible lag. And here I created another one, and there is some effects, very simple effects from here. Okay, there is some lag here, as you can see, quite noticeable lag. And now if I want to press I and then here O, and then I would like to render this, see how much time it takes. Render effects in and out. So let's see. Okay, now we don't have any lag. Also, make sure I made a mistake. You're probably already aware of this, but make sure here in where is it? It's your battery. Make sure you don't have this on battery on always, because it will actually decrease the performance. Of course, which means obviously it'll decrease, but maybe you just don't notice this. Let's say I'll crop this part here, and I'll add some cross dissolve. This is not my laptop, it's my friend laptop, but I will decided to share with you, test with you this, see how it performs in a Premiere Pro. And I've actually used cross dissolve sometime, and there's no visible lag. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Maybe this helps you to decide if this MacBook is worth purchasing. If you're using it for editing, I think it's really worth it. I think it's really worth it, and will really help you in producing good videos. You won't have any problems because you don't have any background noise, and you won't have problems with the fans being loud. That's not the case for this laptop. Also, another perk here is that it's very smooth and it's optimized. I believe Premiere Pro is really optimized for M1 chips. They're quite fast, and you'll be able to do your job. So I hope you found this helpful, and please leave your comments down below if you have any suggestions on how I can test this MacBook in Premiere Pro. If you have some additional things I can try in Premiere Pro to test it to the full, so we can see if it works. If other methods to test this laptop, this MacBook in Premiere Pro. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.